Meaning of far away.
Far away.
Far away.
Far away.
Far away. Far away means a distance that is far or remote, either in terms of physical distance or metaphorical distance. It can refer to a place that is geographically distant, emotionally or mentally distant, or distant in time. The word carries a sense of being unreachable, or difficult to obtain or achieve. It often connotes a longing for something or a desire to escape from the current situation. Overall, far away suggests a sense of distance, separation, and inaccessibility, either literally or figuratively.